Hi everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, that is the BS Law Entrance Exam by your coach Bakul Hanspal. This is Bakul Hanspal, your mentor, and welcome to the series of the most asked FAQs related to different competitive exams. Now the competitive exam that I am going to deal with is CLAT. I am going to deal with this, or let's suppose we are talking about other law entrance exams, like both of them works. ठीक है, तो आज हम ये बात करने वाले हैं जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बात है कि क्या हम क्लैट की तैयारी 11th से स्टार्ट करें या फिर हम 12th से स्टार्ट करें या फिर हम ड्रॉप लें. वन ऑफ द मोस्ट आई वुड से क्वेश्चंस which have been popping on my Instagram DM for a really long period of time. So I planned that let's prepare some series with the most asked FAQs so that we can answer this particular question in a better way. Now अब हम इसका क्या करने वाले हैं, देखिए आपकी प्रायोरिटीज, ठीक है, आपका खुद का लेवल क्या है, राइट लेवल. ऑफ कोर्स आई एम नॉट डिमीनिंग एनीवन, बट व्हाट्स योर लेवल ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड एवरीथिंग. कीपिंग दोज फैक्टर्स इन माइंड, दिस क्वेश्चन इज एक्चुअली आंसर्ड whether through an 11th, 12th or a drop year. देखो, first of all, if I talk about myself, so I just prepared in class 12th. It was just a 9-month preparation for me. I personally did not feel like preparing in class 11th. And in class 11 especially, I had some other plans, so I did not keep CLAT or law there in my mind. Of course, law was one of the things there in my mind, but it wasn't there in class 11. My priorities were different. In class 12, I decided let's give this exam. So it was a 9-month preparation, to be really precise. I started in March, ठीक है, and December को तो exam हो गया था. Other law entrances exam हो गए मेरे. तो मैंने कौन से entrances दिए थे? To be very clear about, I gave CLAT, I gave ALIT, I gave SLAT. All these 3 entrances I gave. SLAT personally उस point of time पर मेरे को नीड नहीं लगी थी देने को, right? When the first result of CLAT came out, I wasn't very sure to appear for SLAT, but I had registered for it already. I remember 22nd November को deadline थी SLAT के लिए, and I just registered for it. And SLAT, I was very confident about CLAT, but I also appeared for SLAT because registration तो कर ही दिया था, इतने पैसे तो लगा ही दिए थे, ठीक है. So the thing for me right now is कि 11th या 12th preparation कब चालू करनी चाहिए for your competitive exam. अब क्या था कि the thing was कि ऐसे भी लोग थे जिनको SLAT के बाद उनको देना पड़ा था MHCET. MHCET तो चलो बाद में हुआ था, but उसके बाद they also registered for QLE, right, for Christ University. They also registered for CUET because they were trying out central universities, ठीक है, जामिया, बनारस and all. Banaras accepts CUET, but Jamia has its another entrance exam, right? JMI SAT is the exam, right? Similarly for Aligarh Muslim University also there was a separate entrance exam. Okay, so people prepared for these entrance exams. For NLAT also people prepared, which is for NMIMS if you want to go for the law program. People were also preparing for IPMAT. Now they were also preparing for IPMAT, especially the legal section. Because IIM Rohtak basically provides your BBA LLB का integrated program, so lot many combinations were there at that point of time. Plus colleges के options इसके बहुत थे. SLAT में 4 campuses हैं, है ना. Then इसकी QLE में भी 3 campuses हैं, है ना. और MHCET में भी काफ़ी colleges आते हैं. Most popularly GLC मुंबई and ILS पुणे अगर मिल गए तुम लोग को, so then your life is set. Okay, life set कभी भी नहीं, but anyway. So बहुत सारे entrances देते हैं, but I gave precisely these 3 entrances only. Otherwise, there were not many people who appeared for these entrances as well. A lot many of them. Now the thing is whether you should go in 11th or 12th or drop. Talking about myself, I as a person, as I had told you before as well, I did not feel the need to prepare for CLAT in class 11. First of all, you need to understand your priorities and everything. Talking about myself again, I was a person who took humanities in class 11. So in 12th I had plans that ठीक है, I'm taking humanities, and the thing is that as a humanities student you should read newspapers. That is something which is very recommended for you, okay, right? So from day 1 of humanities I began to read newspapers, okay. Newspaper precisely to be The Hindu I began to read because the thing is अगर हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स उठाते हैं या फिर इंडियन एक्सप्रेस उठाते हैं, language is like very simple for you to understand. Even Times of India for that matter, language is really simple. But when I talk about The Hindu, language is pretty on a higher side as compared to articles. बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे होते हैं The Hindu में as compared to कोई और मैं अगर उठा लूँ newspaper. So I went for The Hindu, so I read it for almost a year. ठीक है. My 11th का पूरा सेशन I was reading द हिंदू एवरी डे. ठीक है. पहले तो बिकॉज आई वॉज अ पर्सन हु वॉज नॉट हैबिचुअली रीडिंग न्यूज़ पेपर्स, बिकॉज मैं न्यूज़ पेपर कभी पढ़ती भी नहीं थी जब छोटी भी थी. सो आई tried to make that thing in myself, try to induce the habit of reading newspapers every day. So every day I used to read. Initially it used to take, I would tell my story if you want, how much time it used to take to me to read newspapers, but it would take around 3 hours क्योंकि मैं हर पेज पढ़ती थी, हर एडिटोरियल, हर एक्सप्लेन वाला आर्टिकल, एंड देन वो सब आपका 40 to 50 मिनट्स में कवर होने लगी चीज़ें, या 1 आवर में कवर होने लगी न्यूज़पेपर रीडिंग. ठीक है. आई टेल यू दिस, इफ यू वांट अ स्पेशल सेशन फॉर दिस, डू DM. But the thing is कि मैं न्यूज़पेपर पढ़े जा रही थी. Now we know that newspaper component of reading is one of the very critical sections, or I would say one of the very critical components if you're preparing for your law entrance exams, right? न्यूज़पेपर रीडिंग मैंने हमेशा रेकमेंड करा है. आप देख लीजिए, आई बटन पर भी मैंने वीडियो डाली हुई हाउ टू रीड न्यूज़पेपर्स. तो ये तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रेकमेंडेड वाली चीज़ है रीडिंग. अब मेरा जो रीडिंग वाला कंपोनेंट था वाज ऑलरेडी सॉर्टेड ऑन दिस. नाउ व्हेन आई वाज सॉर्टेड ऑन द रीडिंग वाला कंपोनेंट कि माय रीडिंग इज गुड, इफ माय रीडिंग इज गुड देन माय आरसी वाला सेक्शन, माय सीआर वाला सेक्शन, माय लीगल वाला सेक्शन, और जीके और करंट अफेयर्स का बैकग्राउंड, अंडरस्टैंडिंग द फाउंडेशंस ऑफ डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स, व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन, जो पहले से चला जा रहा है, 1 साल से पहले जो चली जा रही चीजें, आई वाज क्लियर विद दिस. It was just duty that I had to prepare for. Otherwise, my 4 sections, I had put a solid idea. My reading speed was already there on a very high level, so I did not feel the need of going for CLAT preparation in class 11th. And 12th itself, I did not feel like that I should have prepared for it in class 11th. However, things are really different. Things depend on each and every individual. अगर मैं बात बताऊँ, it depends. It completely depends. Like, if I would like to mention, so there are a lot many students who actually went for a 2-year coaching in 11th and 12th. However, they couldn't find their name in CLAT anywhere. Right? CLAT में majorly I would say there were a lot many people who prepared like really hard for it. They got somewhere rank below 1.5k. ठीक है? Below 1.5k. Now the thing over here is, ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग थे कि तुम्हें 2 साल की कोचिंग थी, 11th और 12th दोनों में करी थी, still CLAT में रैंक आ रही है 5k to 6k. I am talking about someone who is without any kind of category. So ऐसे लोग भी मैंने देखे, ऐसे भी लोग मैंने देखे जो सिर्फ 6 महीने की प्रेपरेशन पर, 6 मंथ की प्रेपरेशन क्लास 12th में जो उन्होंने करी थी, उसमें भी वो टॉप टियर एनएलयूज में जा रहे हैं. ठीक है. आई हैव सीन पीपल लाइक दीज ऑल्सो. I have also seen people who had just 1 year of preparation in class 12th. They had science stream, right? Still they sat for the exam and cleared it. ठीक है. And went into top tier NLUs. ठीक है. अभी मैं सिर्फ NLUs के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ. NLUs के अलावा if they NLUs, these people with 6 months, they were from humanities background and they went into top tier NLUs. So it actually depends on each and every individual how you are preparing for your exam and what are your priorities. How do you actually prepare? अगर 12th में भी हो तो आप कैसे टाइम को मैनेज कर रहे हो? How are you managing boards and how are you managing your preparation? Right? Are they equal? Are they unequal? Are you keeping them on an equal pace? Everything depends. In 11th, are you just going to coaching? Or are you even studying those things, or are you just preparing for your school and topping your school exams, which do not matter at all towards the end, and your parents anyway. Parents के बारे में बाद में बात करेंगे. But the thing over here, or I would say the major crux that I would want you to take from this particular video is every individual has its own plans. ठीक है. 11th में करो, 12th में करो. You feel you are someone who is really sorted and you do not need or you do not feel like you should go for a preparation in class 12th. ठीक है. मतलब only in just class 12th you should go in 11th because my reading habit is not good. You go in class 11th only. ठीक है. 12th में जाना है, सिर्फ 12th में करो. फील my English is absolutely fine. You go in class 12th. You just need to focus on the QT section, otherwise you are sorted. However, I have also seen people starting from the 9th standard itself to prepare for CLAT and other law entrance exams. This is completely a very personal opinion. 9th class से कोई अगर prepare कर रहा है, again इतना I would not recommend starting from class 9th itself. 11th and 12th it's fine. तुम्हें लगता है तुम्हारी English is super fine. You just clear your concepts in class 11th. If you really want to go for a coaching, you just clear your concepts in class 11th. राइट. बेसिक चीजें, और आप मूव कर जाओ एडवांस चीजों पर 12th में. ठीक है. मॉक टेस्ट देना स्टार्ट कर दो एंड अदर थिंग्स. यू नीड टू मोर फोकस ऑन द मॉक टेस्ट एंड एनालिसिस ऑफ दोज मॉक्स. ठीक है. ये चीज कर सकते हो. अदरवाइज यू फील आई एम नॉट गुड, आई डू नॉट हैव एनी आइडिया अबाउट द एग्जाम, माई रीडिंग इज नॉट गुड, आई एम हॉरिबली बैड, अगर कुछ ऐसा वैसा लग रहा है, स्टार्ट इन क्लास 11th. राइट. Otherwise start in class 12, there is no harm at all. एवरीथिंग डिपेंड्स. ऐसे बहुत बार बहुत लोग हैं 2-2 साल की कोचिंग करके रखते हैं, एट द एंड ऑफ द डे वो बस कोचिंग में जाते हैं बट दे डू नॉट स्टडी एट ऑल. सो अगेन इट completely depends on you. Again, the whole purpose of taking this particular session and starting this series of the most asked FAQs, जो मेरे को लग रहा है इतना मेस बचा दी मैंने, is just that to clear your doubts related to your competitive exam. I would soon bring other sessions as well. So for now, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel.